Namaskar. India Meteorological Department welcomes you in Delhi weather briefing for weather warning during next 5 days. The highlights of the weather during next 5 days is that a wet spell is likely over northwest India during 22nd to 24th of May. The heavy rainfall spell currently going on over South Peninsular India, over Karnataka, South India, Karnataka, coastal Karnataka, and Kerala is likely to abate. It's likely to reduce significantly in intensity from 21st of May, and the heavy rainfall spell going on over Assam and Meghalaya is likely to reduce from 22nd of May. And over northwest India, the heat wave conditions, there is a likelihood of brief spell of heat wave conditions from today, but it will continue only till tomorrow, and from 21st of May the heat wave conditions would abate. And the southwest monsoon, there are conditions are becoming favorable for its further advance over some parts of South Arabian Sea and some more parts of South and Central Bay of Bengal during next 2 days. If you look into past 24 hours observed weather, then the no heat wave conditions have been observed over the country, although greater than 45 degrees centigrade have been maximum temperatures have been observed over two stations of Rajasthan and two, three stations of Bundelkhand region of Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. And the heavy rainfall, although has been observed at many places over the country, isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall and extremely heavy rainfall has been observed over Sohra of Meghalaya, where 26 centimeter rainfall has been observed, and very heavy rainfall has been observed over Kerala, Rayalaseema, Andaman and Nicobar Island, Assam, and South Interior Karnataka. As we can see that Ernakulam district of Kerala has reported 15 centimeter rainfall, Thrissur has reported 16 centimeter, and over Kottayam 11 centimeter rainfall has been reported. Over Rayalaseema, Kurnool district 12 centimeter rainfall has been reported, and over South Interior Karnataka, Ballari district 9 centimeter, and Davangere district 12 centimeter rainfall, and Kodagu district 11 centimeter rainfall has been observed. Today's synoptic situation is that there is a western disturbance over Iran and neighborhood, and a cyclonic circulation is there lying over north interior Tamil Nadu, extending in between upper, mid, and upper tropospheric levels. And also there is a cyclonic circulation extending up to mid tropospheric levels over Gulf of Martaban. Under the influence of this cyclonic circulation, a low pressure area is likely to form over Gulf of Martaban and adjoining Myanmar during next 24 hours. And under its influence, there is a likelihood of squally weather over North Andaman Sea and adjoining parts of East Central Bay of Bengal during next 5 days, with the strong winds of the order of 40 to 50 kmph gusting to 60 kmph. This low pressure area, this cyclonic circulation is showing eastward moving tendency, and it would move eastward and is unlikely to affect Indian region. Although over North Andaman Sea and adjoining East Central Bay of Bengal, as we have seen, it would cause 40 to 50 kmph gusting to 60 kmph strong winds during next 5 days. As far as northern limit of southwest monsoon is concerned, so it is passing through the latitude longitude 5 north, 80 degree east, 8 degree north, and 85 degree east, and then towards the east central Bay of Bengal, and conditions are favorable for further advance of southwest monsoon into some parts of South Arabian Sea and some more parts of South and Central Bay of Bengal during next 2 days. Now, if we come over to as we have seen in the highlights, the heat wave conditions are likely to emerge today over South Punjab, South Haryana, and Rajasthan, and over South UP, and over North MP, and it would persist till tomorrow. And from 21st of May, as this heat wave conditions would abate for subsequent 4 5 days, and there is a likelihood of isolated to scattered rainfall activity with the thunderstorm activity as well over the plains of northwest India, over Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, and UP during 20th to 24th of May, and the maximum activity would be over on 23rd of May, when scattered to fairly widespread rainfall is likely over Punjab, Haryana, and Uttar Pradesh and North Rajasthan, and also accompanied with the thunderstorm activity over the region. So, and this activity is going to occur under the influence of this western disturbance, which is likely to move eastwards during next 24 hours, and then after coming over to North Pakistan, it is likely to persist over the region during subsequent 3 4 days. And also an east-west trough is likely to develop on 22nd of 21st of May over the across Punjab, Haryana, and Uttar Pradesh, and this trough of this east-west trough in lower tropospheric levels would supply moisture over the region, and under the influence of interaction between this east-west trough and the western disturbance over North Pakistan, and also moisture feeding from the Arabian Sea, a wet spell is expected over northwest India during, as we have seen, during 20th to 24th of May, with the maximum activity on 22nd and 23rd of May. So the temperatures would fall during this period of 21st to 24th of May by around about 4 degrees centigrade, and pleasant weather conditions would be observed during this period of 21st to 24th of May. And now, if we come over to northeast India, then and also our western Himalayan region, there is likelihood of fairly widespread rainfall activity, light to moderate rainfall activity during 21st to 23rd of May, and also hailstorm likelihood is there over Uttarakhand on 22nd and 23rd of May, and also over hailstorm activity likelihood is there over J&K also, and this over the mountainous region, over the western Himalayan region, the tourists are advised to avoid their tourism activity during 21st to 24th of May. Now, if you come over to northeast India, then there is a likelihood of extremely heavy rainfall over Meghalaya on today, very heavy rainfall likelihood on tomorrow, and again extremely heavy likelihood over Meghalaya on 21st of May. And the rainfall activity, the extremely heavy, very heavy rainfall activity over Assam and Meghalaya would decrease from 22nd of May, although isolated heavy rainfall activity would be there on 22nd of May over Assam and Meghalaya. And also over Arunachal Pradesh, there is likelihood of isolated heavy rainfall during next 3 days, with isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall today, that is during next 24 hours. And now, if you come over to South Peninsular India, so this rainfall activity over Kerala, coastal and South interior Karnataka, which is going on during past 4 5 days, so it is likely to reduce. This activity, in fact, is occurring under the influence of this cyclonic circulation in middle tropospheric levels over north interior Tamil Nadu and neighborhood, and this cyclonic circulation is likely to persist during next 2 days, and it is likely to become less marked by 21st of May, and then accordingly the heavy rainfall spell over going on over the region would also become would also reduce substantially. So today there is likelihood of extremely heavy rainfall, greater than 20 centimeter rainfall over coastal and south interior Karnataka, and tomorrow there is likelihood of heavy rainfall activity over coastal and south interior Karnataka. Although over Kerala, heavy to very heavy rainfall is likely at isolated places during next 2 days, and thereafter isolated heavy rainfall activity is likely only from 21st to 23rd of May. Over Tamil Nadu and over Rayalaseema and coastal Andhra Pradesh, scattered to fairly widespread rainfall would continue during next 5 days. Although over Rayalaseema there is also likelihood of isolated heavy rainfall today. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we'll again meet with Delhi weather briefing for weather warning during next 5 days. Thank you and goodbye.